Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that this is what I'm opening today. The footage and the audio are probably absolutely horrible, so just excuse that. I just wanted to open something before I came into work today. So, just wanted to let you know. Here you go. Go ahead and watch this footage from me opening Mini Brands first thing in the morning. I know this is not a great setup, but I'm going to open this before work this morning. I'm going to go ahead and just have a little mini magic before I go into work this morning. Oh, come on. Take it, I'll let it. Let's see. Is it that my work for me this morning? Come on. Why is it not? Is it where it's full house? No, come on. Let's get this one off. Get it off there. Come on. Could this be any better? No, it don't look like it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the pizza one. 2, 5, 6. Okay. Let's go first. Okay, let me show you this one first. That is got, I think, green peppers and mushrooms on it. Here first. Ooh. Worcestershire sauce. How do you say it? Worcestershire. All right. Got some broccoli. That's one big thing. Cute. Next up we have water. Water's always good to have. This one's tiny. Whoa, never seen this product before. Let me know if you have. Okay, last two. We're going to go with yellow first. Oh, bagel bites. Fill our fridge up today. No, we're definitely not feeling. Oh, this looks like something cute. Oh, we did get some more fresh veggies with an eggplant. Yeah. I have another one. I may open it later today of this kind. That's it for now. Stay magical, my friends.